In any quality woodshop, a clean workspace isn't just aesthetic, it's essential. That's why a reliable woodworking dust collector isn't optional. It removes chips and fine dust right at the source, protects your lungs, and even reduces the risk of fire. When you're feeding your table saw, planer, or router, the right collector gives you airflow, control, and peace of mind. Upgrade your shop today, get a top-performing woodworking dust collector and build with clarity, comfort, and safety. To learn more, click the link below.